Exclusive to Barbecues Galore, the Big Boy Smoke Pipe will bring smoke into your food on your gas barbecue. It includes a 12-inch stainless steel pipe, a convenient cleaning brush, as well as 2 S-hooks to hang the smoke pipe when you're not using it. To use a smoke pipe, you can fill it up with any wood chips or pellets that you can find at Barbecues Galore. If you'd like a longer burn, pellets are better. Use the charcoal wand or a torch to light your smoke tube by putting the smoke tube on your grill grates, not your burner, and lighting it from the open end. Once you see a flame, let it burn for around 30 seconds and blow it out. They should continue to burn for up to 6 hours depending on how many wood chips or pellets you put in the tube. Now close your lid and let the smoke flavor your food. When not in use, hang the smoke pipe from the side of the barbecue, but first let it cool and brush it out with the brush that it comes with. You can also remove the cap on the other end to let the brush go all the way through the smoke tube. You can also clean it by placing it in your dishwasher. Try out the Big Boy Smoke Pipe at Barbecues Galore.